Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Here we are at the property. Show you a little bit of the outside, not a lot, because not a lot. I want to show too much right now, just to show y'all that this is a pretty much a mess. So, and look at the windows outside. I think this thing right here needs works too. See how? Excuse me, I could be wrong on that. On this side, you see it where it goes all the way back to the other side. This metal piece goes all the way back. But on this side, it looks like it's cut short. Could be wrong on that. Let's see. Could be wrong on that. Let's see. I hope I'm wrong on that. I think I'm wrong. I think it goes a little further than that. It's a good sign. I'm glad to see that. I'm glad to see that. Let's see. Pretty steady. I gotta go up there. See? Up there, the shingles. The shingles is messed up and it's leaking. I believe it's leaking in that bathroom. I mean, not the bathroom. It could be the bathroom if you forgot, because that water was in that toilet. And I could swear it was dry before. But water is in it now, so these shingles just coming loose. Look at that. So that needs to be nailed back up there. That needs to be nailed back right there. And that one up there. All the way up there. Need to be nailed. Lord. That is scary. I'll come tumbling down off this goddamn roof. I might kill myself. Oh, Lord. I fall and kill myself. Let's see. So I guess we can put some jack stands up here, because I got some. We put some jack stands up here and put a piece of 2x8 here, all the way to the end or wherever, somewhere up in here. So if I do, no, it won't. Well, it will if I lean. It could help stop me from falling to, you know what, so it can help with that. So I definitely need to go up there and handle that. I'm not doing it today, of course, you know. I'm still doing my look around, really. But yeah, this thing is pretty steep. I think this is a 12. I think this is a 12-12 pitch. I'm not sure. I think so. It's pretty steep. Pretty steep. Pretty steep indeed. But I got my harness and stuff. I would literally have to crawl through that window back there and climb up there and get in there that way and do that way or something. Man, what am I doing? Look at this. Lord. I think this window gotta get this thing gotta get redone. Gotta get done over. Definitely gotta get done over. Back in the inside. If I didn't have this board here, guys, I would go straight through this floor. This board wasn't here, I would go straight through the floor. And I really need to do something with that. See that? See that play? I don't know if y'all can see that play on my foot. Whoa, see that? I will go straight through the floor. I will go straight through the floor. And it wouldn't be pretty. We got one 2x8 back here, so we got one 2x8 back here that we can use. It's really hot out. I'm just looking, making sure there ain't no animals in here, because you know they love to try to find a home, somewhere to stay. Somewhere to stay when summertime comes. Yeah, that's what they do, and so gotta look around, but I can't. That's what hold me back before. Actually, you know, I keep saying I'm gonna get it done. Oh God, this door's closing on its own. What are you doing? No, you can't trap me in here. No. But yeah. This is getting bad, man. This is getting real bad, man. This ain't no joke, man. You know, when summertime comes, plants start growing, everything, man. I don't know. Hello? Is anybody here? Hope not. Got me running. Yeah, there. You can already see the area that's about to collapse. You can already see it. Like I say, this side of the house, other than that area back there. There, that back area. Everything else is pretty strong. Still don't know how water got in that commode. So it's saying it's leaking in this bathroom as well, guys. Come up here somewhere. I'm thinking it's coming. No, can't be coming from there. Switch. Oh my God! Tell me, no, we don't have we do have a broken window pane there. The fuck? Oh, sorry. About to take off running again. Lord, but that was the noise we were hearing before, guys. Yeah. I'm trying to think here. I wonder what's behind this wall right here. Oh, the closet is behind this wall. Jesus. You know, it had two closets in here. It had one right here, small closet, Then they had another one over here. See? So, had 2 closets in here. So we getting rid of this one over here for sure. So we got to figure out what we're going to do with the bathroom and all that. So, yeah. See, we're going to make it bigger. If we're going to make it bigger, we definitely going to try. Because, let's see, let's look at this thing. The bathroom is here. Behind this bathroom is what? Closet, right? Yeah, the closet was behind that bathroom, so yeah. So I think we can work with this, guys. I do. If we get rid of this, we can bring it out right here and back over here somewhere. If we can be, we'll be taking a lot of space from this room, but we can actually bring it all the way out to somewhere around here. Boom, boom. And that bathroom can get pushed back to here. You know? It could get pushed back to there. It could get pushed back to there and open out a little bit. It'll be a little bit wider than what it is. And that would make room for what? What? That shower. Yeah, it can make room for that shower. We'll figure it out because there's definitely enough room to do it. We'll be taking some room out of here though, but then again, you remember what I said? We can blow this wall out. You'll have slope ceiling on that side, on this side right here. And this side, well, we can put a slope ceiling on that side too, but definitely on this side, slope ceiling. Because we're going to be using some of the space. Now that time I thought I heard somebody coming in here. Well, I heard somebody coming in here, but we need a lot of cleaning to do, man. We got a lot of cleaning. We got a lot of cleaning to do. Excuse me. I hate to do cleaning with it. That snake, I just put that damn snake pellet out. I'm gonna be sweeping it back up. Lucky I just bought some more too, though. But we do need to clean this. Was leaking up there, but now you see it's not leaking anymore, so I guess they fixed it before we got here. These windows are weird, man, how they got them built. They got these windows built really, really weird. Other place, this right here will come right up to the brick. From the inside, it's like they cut the brick and they put them up against it. But in this house, it literally got this over the bricks. Weird. So, man, we gotta figure all this out, man. I'm just tired of talking. So, stupid fool! Nah. I'm tired of talking. I'm ready to get this thing. I'm ready to get started, guys. And this room right here is the #1 target right now. We have to do something with this room. ASAP. Man, it's getting bad back here. Bad. Look at it. I almost want to just shut this area back here off. Cover everything up shut this area off. That's what I kind of feel like doing. It's such a mess back here. Such a mess. Such a mess back here. I was thinking though. I was doing some thinking on some things, and I said, what if we make this room right here, this downstairs room, this will be, you know, the main bedroom, the big bedroom, the biggest. What if we open this wall out right here and take some of the space back here and use some of the space back here for this room, so we can make this room a little bigger back here, so we can I thought about a bathroom, but I think that'd be a little too much. But we could make it bigger. I have to figure that out though. We will literally have to build another structure size of this, take it on back, like another, well, not another structure, but we gotta take this. I'm getting all confused, but we gotta bring it back, take it back further, then block it off. I will say another 6-7 feet off here. So we're probably in here. Everything's spreading. It's literally spreading. Alright guys, coming to the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We're back at the abandoned flip. The abandoned flip. Just sell it, fool!